Globally, the Energy Poverty Observatory has established that energy spending should not exceed 10% of a family's income. However, in Brazil, a 2022 survey conducted by Instituto Police and IPEC revealed a different reality. A staggering 22% of households are forced to cut back on food expenses to cover their electricity bills. To address this issue, distributed generation of social interest empowers citizens to become both producers and consumers of energy. The Babilonia and Chapo Mangueira communities in Rio de Janeiro were pioneers in establishing a solar energy cooperative. Launched in 2021 with support from Revolusolar, this cooperative project utilizes 60 LONGi solar panels to generate energy credits for dozens of families. To ensure the project's long-term sustainability, the cooperative has trained local residents as solar energy installers and organized educational and cultural activities to foster community engagement and involvement in the system's installation. In just 3 years, the system has produced more than 70,000 kilowatt-hour of electricity, benefiting 50 families and preventing the emission of 7 tons of CO2. The estimated annual savings of 80,000 Brazilian reals on electricity bills is being reinvested into a community fund to expand the project and reach more families. Aligned with LONGi's commitment to advancing energy access and making the best of solar energy to build a green world, the cooperative project is not only democratizing energy access, but also paving the way for a brighter and more sustainable future for all.
LONGi